Hey guys, weird angle today, and yeah, no makeup. This video is gonna be really fast because I have to go to my grandparents today, and I will be there till Wednesday, so that's fun. My cat's attacking me. Kitty, stop it, I'm trying to vlog. Oh, my teeth look so yellow. It's just the lighting, I swear. Everything looks so yellow, like my hair looks yellow. Oh well. My teeth are white, I promise you. But yeah, so, sorry I'm getting sick. I punished Emma to have to vlog this week, like every day this week, and she didn't vlog on her day, or on yesterday, and probably not today, and I don't understand. What do you do if you don't do your punishment? You get extra punished. Or something, I swear. I'm so confused! So you guys can figure out a punishment that she'll actually do. Yay, it's me! I don't really have much else to say. Katie, you know how I feel about your video yesterday. You read my spam on Skype. Yeah. So, Kitty Poo. Oh, someone just texted me. It was probably Twitter. Ow! Jerk! So, I'm on March break right now. I should be working on my contest video for the Marauders, but I'm going to my grandparents. I bought some, or I didn't buy some, I got some new clothes. So, next week, I will show you guys that, because I'm just in a rush, and not even gonna edit this. There's just gonna be a lot of me just going, because I'm stupid. So, yeah. I just brushed my teeth, too. I don't understand. Stop texting me. Okay. I have to go finish getting ready. Why? Ow! Jerk! She just bit me. Hate her.